Today we're diving into the Base app. With so many productivity tools out there, does Base really stand out? Or is it just another app that promises a lot but delivers little? Let's find out what it's all about. Base is designed as a versatile productivity app that aims to streamline your tasks and projects. It features a clean interface that's fairly intuitive, which is a big plus for new users. You can create tasks, set deadlines, and even collaborate with team members in real time. What immediately stands out is the ability to customize your workspace, which can help tailor the experience to fit your individual workflow. However, while the core functionality seems solid, some features feel a bit underdeveloped. For instance, the integration with other tools isn't as seamless as you might expect, which could frustrate users who rely on multiple platforms. The app is geared towards freelancers and small teams, but if you're part of a larger organization, you might find it lacking in scalability. Overall, the user experience is straightforward, but there are definitely areas where clarity and depth could improve. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Base offers a user-friendly interface and good customization options, making it easy to adapt to your needs. The collaborative features are also a nice touch, allowing for real-time updates and communication. However, the app does have its downsides. One major frustration is the limited integration options. It doesn't connect well with many other popular tools. Pricing might also be a concern, especially if you're looking for advanced features that aren't included in the basic plan. Additionally, larger teams might find it lacking in functionality, which could push them toward more robust alternatives. So, while Base has its strengths, it might not be the best fit for everyone. In conclusion, Base is worth considering if you're a freelancer or part of a small team looking for a straightforward task management tool. However, if you need extensive integrations or work in a larger organization, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it feels like a decent tool, but it may leave some users wanting more.